So what's up guys, karating ko lang talaga dito ng Marikina. Hindi ko alam kung makakakuha ko ng montage kasi nga late ako dumating. Tatawid tayo. Hello, what's up guys? This is Jonathan Urburay, your vlogger. You're watching I Love Fashion TV. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. Just click the subscribe button yung nasa baba yung pula, and also yung bell button nakatabi nito to get notified for our future update. Don't forget also to visit my blog. It's www.ilovefashion.com, and if you're using your social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, please subscribe me at I Love Fashion. Today we're gonna celebrate the entire night of Pride Parade dito sa Manila na ginanap dito sa Marikina City, kung saan lahat dito, everyone are equally treated. So let's go ahead and celebrate this night. Let's check this out. Hi! We're live here. We have here one of our friends from the LGBT community, and of course, anong pangalan natin, sir?
Raymond.
And all the way from
Marikina.
Marikina din. So I've heard someone told me na you met your partner after you came out. Ano, paanong story?
Well, it was during Ladlad event.
Okay.
So, I was the candidate for Ladlad in 2013. And we were doing the campaign and he was there at the mass. And, that's where we met.
How long you been together na?
5 years.
Nasaan na siya ngayon?
He went home because he was tired.
Nandito siya kanina.
Kanina.
Okay. So parang ang concept kasi ng love when it comes to gays are very difficult to define or to look someone na parang pang long term talaga. Paano mo i-convince ako or yung mga viewers natin, LGBT viewers natin na masarap magmahal, masarap mag-ano? Kasi ang nakakatakot din nakakatakot din.
Nakakatakot siya, pero...
Not just sa LGBT, pati sa straight.
For straight people, but it's very important kasi ako never really felt parang yung sinasabi lang, you complete me, parang may ganun talaga eh.
Okay.
May ganun talaga yung, well, I mean, I'm complete in myself, pero but he brings out something different and
It
he
made you
enriches
more
me.
vibrant.
No, he enriches me. He makes me see the world from a different perspective. Kasi malaki yung age gap namin.
Okay, kasi ilang taon ba siya?
He's much younger than me.
Alright.
And I'm much older, but
Does
he's
it
from a
matter?
different generation.
Kung sa edad?
Well, it's a factor that you just have to consider, but you don't really let it, get in the way of the relationship, especially if both of you are mature.
Okay. So there was no transition nung kasi
He likes younger. He likes older men. I like younger men.
okay, so compatible. Okay, thank you so much. Your name is again
Raymond,
Raymond. Thank you so much for your time, sir. I was so inspiring kasi nga iba, single is life, ganito ang pananaw ko eh.
There's someone out there for you as well.
Thank you.
So what's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Good luck, Jonathan.
Thank you, Happy Pride.
Right.
Thank you, sir. guys are together na? Or for how long? Couple kayo for how long? 4 years? This is your first time to attend the Gay Pride Parade? Ilang times ka na? Dalawa. So you guys are together how long?
More than a year.
More than a year na. Is this your first time to attend such party? Or not party, but event?
First time for pride.
First time for Pride. So ano, kamusta naman ang experience? How you belong? Kamusta naman? Okay, if you're gonna rate this or on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to recommend this event to your friends na straight? 10. 10. Pati yan nga, I am a straight and then homophobic ako. Ano na ako convinced?
Well, it's not because of the people around here. The experience itself. See, we have live concerts, we have performers here, and you get to know more people.
Exactly, it's not just all about the...
It's not because of whoever is here. It's not because of gay or lesbian or whatever. It's the people around here, whatever the entertainment we can get.
Thank you so much, guys. Happy Pride! You're with your girlfriend.
Call
right?
161.
How long have you been
611
together?
911 sa US yun. Okay, call 161 and look after your belongings. Inquirer po,
Recommend this
young
for your
star,
straight
yes.
friends.
Ay, 11.
Yes,
What
connection and a lot,
You guys
lots
are
more.
gonna
No?
enjoy the parade. Hopefully
Again,
next year, dumami pa tayo.
Dapat
And
dumanata
of course, it's not only about the vibrant activities, but also the advocacy that we're trying to share, di ba? Thank you so much, guys.
Mamaya, no,
Happy
sino yung
Pride.
magdi-DJ sa atin sa after party
Si
disco?
DJ Jun.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Kamusta kayo? Nasa Malaysia na kayo? So, are you part of the LGBT community or part of the allies? Happy Pride, guys. Hey, what's up? Where from? Santa Mesa. Santa Mesa, you guys are together for how long na? More than a year pa lang. More than a year. So is this your first time to attend the Pride Parade dito sa your first timer? Hey, where you from? Ano? Quezon City. Wait lang, ulit. Quezon City.
Quezon City,
Mandaluyong.
Mandaluyong. Ito sa mga
You guys are
pinapagaling na
friends or-
local indie artists natin today.
Okay, are you part of the LGBT community or allies? Which
Kakarelease
one?
niya actually na debut album entitled Worth, no? And you can stream it on Spotify, no? Again, that is, the album title is Worth. Alright, kaya huwag natin patagalin pa, no?
Showcase ko lang kayo. Yeah. You guys are very,
Habang nag-set up yung aming next performer, no? Again, no, before we end the program, we'd like to remind everyone of the simple rules and regulations.
Yeah, happy Pride! How are you guys? Hey, happy Pride! How are you guys? Where are you from?
We're from here. Baguio. Baguio.
Are you from Baguio? Hey, how are you? Where are you from? Are you guys together for how long na? Magsawa kayo? How likely are you to recommend this event to your straight friends na homophobic?
Give a 10.
Kaya, sige nga, convince mo ako, homophobic ako eh.
Ay, kasi, siyempre, ano bang nakakatakot dito? Wala mo nakakatakot dito? What are you scared about being with friends that are gay? Diba masaya kasi, kaya kasi tawag na gay kasi nga masaya sila kasama.
Exactly. Happy Pride, guys!
Happy Friday!
What's up? How are you? Where you from?
Quezon City.
Quezon City. What's your advocacy? Ano ba yan? Free hugs? Ano yan? And then, how many kisses na? Ay, hugs pala
I have
rather.
no idea. They just took my shirt off and gave me
You just centering around for how long na kanina?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. You just arrived.
Oh,
Yeah.
got it right there. Yeah. What's your
Thank you
name?
so Happy Pride. Thank you so much. I'm Jarvan.
Hi, Hero.
Thank you.
Hero.
Happy Pride, happy Pride, happy
Happy
Pride.
Pride.
Thanks.
Oh, we're part of the LGBT community or you are part of the allies?
We are
Part of the LGBT. Okay.
definitely a fan because we are part of the parade this year.
Happy Pride, guys. Yeah, how are you guys? Where are you from? Boys Town Academy. Okay, may napansin kasi ako may pinamigay kay kanina. So I am giving here. Sure. Patay na isa. Oh my God, you see my healthy mouth. I cannot say anything about that. But you can get as much as you want. Oh my God! Taxi ko. Ay! Taxi ko yate, Dax. Okay, are you gonna wrap it para sa akin or no? Masarap ba tong candy mo?
This is as dark as mine.
Or hindi? Okay, let me eat na. Yes! Kumahan natin sa... How are you gonna convince them?
We've been together for 2 years and we're happy.
Okay.
So there's nothing wrong with that. So that is enough to convince.
Thank you so much. Happy Pride, guys.
Happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
My mama told me when I was young, we're all superstars. She go ahead and put my lipstick on. Bring the lights of heaven down this long display. Ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this
Happy Pride!
guys, natapos na rin nating indulge yung event ngayong gabi na to. So if you like this video, give a massive thumbs up and of course share this to your friends. Na kung umattend ba kayo dito, comment down below. Let's discuss kung ano yung mga na-experience nyo dito. And please share this to your friends. If you're using Facebook or Instagram, you watch more related videos yung nasa gilid. And also, please subscribe my channel. I Love Tanchong TV. Just click the round button in the gilid. And visit my vlogs to download that. I Love Tanchong. Let's have me, Jordan or Buddha together. Have it right, guys. Say, keep smiling. Bye-bye.